Hey there! Let's quickly look at how to use the 5 working modes of the virtual selector. Have you seen our previous video? If so, you're ready to dive into the functions. To proceed, you will need the FSD 5 selector and an active internet connection. Automatic is the standard working mode, which allows traffic in both directions, fully opening the door. Always Open is the working mode, which unlocks and opens permanently the door, ideal for peak times and manual operations. Always Closed is the working mode, which ensures door closure. If a lock is connected, this will be engaged for the maximum security. Exit Only is the automatic working mode, which allows traffic in outward direction. It can be combined with Partial Opening. Partial Opening is the working mode, which reduces the opening width. It can be combined with Exit Only. In case of double swing door, Partial Opening opens the master door. Eventually, the Open Door button will trigger a priority opening command, followed by an automatic closure. These are all the working modes available in the virtual selector to manage your face automatic doors.